this video, I am going to talk about equation of pair of lines. You see, this is y-axis, it is the x-axis. So we got the two axes here, and these are the two lines, first line and second line. Now first line equation is u equals to 0, and second line equation is v equals to 0. So we have the two lines here. Now here u equals to 0 means like ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and v equals to 0 means for first line you can write the suffix a1 b1 c1, and for the second line you can write like a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. See, these are the two lines, and both the equations are written separately. But if you write down both the equations together, for example u equals to 0 and v equals to 0, these are the two equations. Call it equation 1 and call it as equation 2. Now you are writing both the equations together, that is u into v, multiplying LHS and multiplying RHS. So you will get u into v equals to 0. What is u? U is nothing but a1x plus b1y plus c1 multiplied by v, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. By multiplying these two equations, you will get another equation in the second degree form. So that equation would be called as a equation of pair of lines. Here is an example. Find combined equation of pair of lines whose equations are. So the first equation given as u, that is 2x plus y plus 1 equals to 0, and second equation v, that is nothing but x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. They are equation of two separate lines. So that is this is the first line, this is the second line, and first line is u equals to 0 and second line v equals to 0. We need to combine both the equations. So combining both the equation, that means multiplying both of them, u into v equals to 0. U into v equals to 0 is nothing but combined equation of pair of lines. These are the two lines together and we are writing a single equation. So what is u? 2x plus y plus 1. This is u, and x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. We need to multiply both the equations. We need to open the bracket. Now opening the brackets, 2x square plus 6xy plus 4x plus xy plus 3y square plus 2y, then plus x plus 3y plus 2, that is equals to 0. Adding them, 2x square, after that writing y square term 3y square, and after that writing xy term, that is 7xy, after that writing x term, after that writing y term, after that writing constant equals to 0. So we get this expanded form. This is nothing but combined equation of pair of lines. Now suppose the lines passes through origin. For example, this is x-axis, it is y-axis. Now both the lines are passing through the origin. This is the first line passing through the origin, this is second line passing through the origin, and first line u equals to 0 and second line v equals to 0. So we got two lines here, u equals to 0 and v equals to 0. Now to find out combined equation, same idea, u into v equals to 0. For example, u equivalent to 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Any line passing through origin, this is the origin where x-axis and y-axis are intersecting, that is the origin. So if line are passing through the origin, then it does not contain constant term. It has only x and y terms. Numbers are not present if a line is passing through the origin. So u equals to 0, 2x plus 3y. There is no constant term is available. Similarly v nothing but, for example, x plus y equals to 0. I blindly taken this equation. Now combined equation of these two lines is nothing but obtained by multiplying u and v. So the first equation 2x plus 3y and second equation x plus y equals to 0. After writing both the brackets together, u into v equals to 0. Now we need to open the bracket, that is 2x square plus 2xy plus 3xy plus 3y square. So 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square equals to 0. This is the equation of pair of lines. These pair of lines, both the lines are passing through the origin. So we learn one thing here, that there are the two types of the equations we get. One, when the lines are passing through the origin, when two lines are passing through the origin and both the lines are not passing through the origin. When both the lines are passing through the origin, what can be the form of equation, and when the two lines not passing through the origin. So in case 1, both the lines are passing through the origin, and case 2, both the lines are not passing through the origin. In case number 1, the equation of pair of lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. This would be the form of equation of pair of lines if they are passing to the origin. And if they are not passing to the origin, then what can be the second degree equation? If the lines are not passing to the origin, then equation is given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So the lines which are not passing to the origin will consist of three extra terms: first term, second term and third term. If line passing to the origin will have only three terms: first term, second term and third term. This is what the difference between the lines passing to the origin and not passing to the origin. In next video, I will discuss in detail about these two equations. If the information provided in this video is helpful in your studies, then I request you, then please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Meet you again with next video. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.